What is going on, world? It's Jade House, and we're back for yet another unboxing and review video. And today, yes, as promised, I have something extremely special for you guys. We're going to be unboxing and reviewing these Odyssey 2000 low-top sneakers from Off-White. Now, before we get into this unboxing, I want to take the time to have a moment of silence for Virgil. As you guys know, he did end up losing his battle to cancer recently, and what he did for like the community, what he did for the fashion industry, what he did for people of color, like in the fashion and creator space, was just like next level. And like your legacy will forever live on, and you know you'll always be remembered. So getting straight into it. Nice box. I mean, the box is a little bit damaged, but it's not a big deal. And then just some protectors. And the first thing we get inside of the box is going to be this Off-White dust bag in a teal color with like the Off-White logos and everything down there. Yeah, this is a nice dust bag and everything. And if I did need to tote anything outside of just shoes in this, this would actually be perfect. Nice little drawstrings and everything on the outside. Let's just put that to the side. Wow. Look at these. Like the attention to detail on these shoes, I'm not even sure if the camera is like picking up all like the minor details on it, but are extreme. And I love like on the bottom how it has like that golf shoe kind of feel to it, like the little spikes. And then like the colors, it's like a light blue, teal, like a hint of gray, and like tan. And then Off-White here, logo on the tongue. And then on the inside, if you can see, it's the size. It says made in China. Some paper, another Off-White logo inside the sole of the shoe. Pull tab, quality is good. Like, and then like again, like the attention to detail on the back of the shoe, like that is amazing. They even smell good. And then the Off-White zip tie, logo on the shoelaces. Like the leather here on the tongue of the shoe is very plush. It's very soft. Feels almost like a mattress. Like I really like these shoes though. And then just a sticker where it came from the store. And that's it as far as like the contents and everything on the inside of the box. But looking at both of them together, like I'm happy about this purchase. Like good quality shoe. I mean, worth every penny. And it's like, it's still a very like low profile and comfortable, sleek shoe, but it still stands out. Like it's not too flashy, but when you're wearing these, you're definitely gonna break a few necks. It's definitely gonna grab some attention. It's a good summertime shoe, like with the colors and everything. I like it. I can't wait to wear these. Like, and then I love how like the Off-White logo like wraps across the toe box on these. And it's like the toe box is like a mesh material. Yeah, these are nice. These are very fly. Like I'm feeling these. So y'all be sure to drop, your thoughts, what y'all think about these in the comments down below. The biggest thing is they also make a version of these. I believe it's the ODSY 1000s that are a little bit more bulkier. Like they kind of have like that Balenciaga kind of feel to them. But I went with the 2000s because I love how like low profile they are. How like you could just throw these on with some jeans or some shorts and keep it pushing. And then no matter what you pair it with, it's gonna be stylish. Like this shoe demands a lot of attention. And then you feel me? Like if you ever were like playing golf, or if you needed to do something like semi-athletic in these, I feel like they'll get the job done. So that's it, ladies and gentlemen. Off-White ODSY 2000. Y'all let me know down in the comments what you think. Be sure to hit subscribe, click that bell, turn on post notifications, and y'all stay tuned. Plenty more videos to come. But in the meantime, man, I'm up out of here.